Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to install the ZenGo app on your phone. The process is really easy. I'll show you how. Stay with me. Let's get started. So first of all, open Play Store if you are on Android device and open App Store if you are on iOS device. I'll open Play Store on my phone. This is the homepage of Play Store. Now on the homepage, you'll have to tap on the search bar at the top of the screen, and on the search bar, simply type ZenGo and press search. So this is the app we're looking for, the one at the top. Now you'll simply have to tap on the install option and wait for the app to get installed. As you guys may already know, ZenGo is a platform to buy and trade bitcoins and cryptocurrencies. You can also securely connect to Web3, DeFi and dApps. The app is really convenient to use as well. The app is almost installed now. Let's wait for a few more seconds and it will be all ready to use. As you can see, the app has been installed. Now all you have to do is tap on the open option and you'll be directed to the app. Then you can create an account and start using it. This is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for further tutorials. Thank you.